some reason or another. Okay, click the plus button, it should increment the file and reset. Count dot set 0. Okay. Okay, so if I plus and then if I reset, oh, it works. Great. So let's go next. Currently my CPU is 31%. If it's reloading, then just my laptop is not exactly great. I'm questioning Apple right now so hard. You know, do I need a light laptop? I'm like questioning whether I should change laptops. Oh, first world problems. Okay, so is that all I need to know? Is why identify which page should be represented. Okay, so the store will be a single source of truth for the history, web history, I guess. And Svelte component. Okay, I'll do the whole store tutorial then. The app in the previous example works, but there's a subtle bug. The unsubscribes function never gets called. Right. If the component was instantiated and destroyed many times, this will result in a memory leak. So memory leak means that your computer doesn't destroy the function that's running. So it will use unnecessary CPU power or whatever power for it to run that stupid function that is not really needed. So one way to fix it is we use the onDestroy life cycle hook, which is very reminiscent of, you guessed it, every single. Alright, okay, so like Flutter and other web frameworks, I guess. Yep. Cool. OnDestroy is not defined because we need to get OnDestroy from Svelte. Oh, okay. What's the difference between... Oh, hello? I already defined OnDestroy. Not load, failed to fetch. Is it eating up my internet for this stream? TN. Okay, build right. Cool. It's a compiler. Okay, so I'm creating OnDestroy. How much CPU am I taking? 29%. It's going to be 40 soon. That's great. If you could not load, why? Okay. I'm like, so it starts to get boilerplatey if your computer subscribes to multiple stores. Instead, Svelte has a trick up its sleeve. You can reference a store value by prefixing the store name with $, money, $. What? Wait, so sorry. I was distracted by my stupid statement. It starts to get a bit boilerplatey though, especially if your component, this thing, subscribes to multiple stores. Instead, Svelte has a trick up its sleeve. You can reference a store value by prefixing the store name with money count 0. Okay, the count is 0. The count is count value. Oh, if you should I do that now? Okay, so I do that lah. Why do I even need count underscore value? So if I just put count, okay, right. It's laggy because my CPU not that good. 35, 41. Oh, my CPU is running at almost half its power, so rest assured I am not happy. Auto subscription only works with store variables that are declared or imported at the top level. Auto subscription only works with store variables. You're not limited using count inside the markup either. You can use it anywhere in the script. Oh, as well as such as event handlers. Any name beginning with $sign is assumed to refer to a store value. It's effectively a reserved character. Svelte will prevent you from declaring your own variables with a prefix. Still don't get it. Cause I'm dumb as fuck. Not all stores should be rateable by whoever has a reference. You might have a store representing the mouse position or the user geolocation. It doesn't make sense to be able to set those values from outside. For those cases, we have readable stores. Oh. Go to stores.js and this is readable. So it doesn't have the set and what do you call it? Reset, right? Yeah. Click over to the store. Okay, yeah. Readable. Excellent. Its initial value, which can be null or undefined. Why not just null? Because JavaScript has this thing called undefined, which I hate it. Null is okay, but I don't like undefined. The second argument is a start. So, right. That takes a set callback and returns a stop function. It's called when the store gets its first subscriber. Stop is called when the last subscriber unsubscribes. So it changes subscribers. Am I the only concurrent viewer? Help me, mom. Help me. What the fuck? Cause interval. Return function stop. Clear interval. Okay, implementation goes here. Great. Oh, it's getting fast. Alright, so you return function stop by clearing the interval. Oh, the time has set itself. Very interesting. Whoa, it says 7:30. Because that's the normal time, I guess. Right. Oh, Intel. Nice. Flutter also use similar syntax for international library. So use formatter, format, great. Formatter.format, numeric 2-digit. Yes, very good. Fuck. Shit, I'm tired. So, time, readable. Null. But you can put new date as its initial value. Right. But you can't set. So, right. Put nice. So, interval is equal to set interval. Set new date. So, time. Interval, set interval. So where does this clear interval? Oh, it destroys the interval. Set new date. Okay, cool. Shit, I'm sleepy. Alright, you can create a store whose value is based on the value of one or more other stores with derived. You can create a store whose value is based on the value of one or more other stores. Oh, okay. So it derived from something else. Okay. Has been open for elapsed. So this is usually for store. Great. So yeah. Boing. Boing. So readable, we got time. And then you have elapsed. So you got export const elapse. Oh, okay. So it's inside. It's out. So it's another. Oh. Okay. So the store. Okay. I mean, I guess boilerplate helps in terms of structure on how you think. Like an example is reactive kind of programming, not like web frameworks but like subscribers and observables, right? How they do it is like at the top they create, so they initialize observables on the top, or we call it streams and sinks in what's it called, block. So block is business logic. because it makes sense lah. Like, okay, you create something first at the top, and then after that you put the logic at the bottom. So once it listens to a change, then it will change according to what logic that you want, you know. For this one, this is different, meaning that it's already preset by having this, right? And you have to stop here. That means, so this is okay, that's nice. So you have the subscriber with the stop function in just one, what call this object, store, yeah, store. Cause like store in like Redux is like 4 things that you need to create. Wait, let me think. So in Vue, there's this thing called Vuex, which is Redux for Vue. You have 4 things. I forgot. Action, something. So with the state, you have the action, you deploy the message or something like that. So you can see the history of how things are happening. In Svelte, from what I've seen so far, under the stores, because they don't do Redux. So this is their own like simple state management thingy, which is okay. I'm more awake now. Wow. So your store is very small. That's not bad. So you have this. Oh, that's nice. All right. So it's possible to derive a store from multiple inputs and to explicitly set the value instead of returning it, which is useful for deriving values asynchronously. Yes. Okay. Wait. Let me process this, because I have no idea what the fuck the person is trying to say. Oh shit. Derived. So it takes in another one. So instead of returning it, time. So this is always changing. Time is always changing. Yes. But for time is always changing. Minus start. So start is a new date, and then they divide by 1,000. So it's the seconds. Okay, makes sense. Cause time always change, and then then you divide 1,000. Cool. It's possible to derive a store from multiple inputs. Okay. And to explicitly set a value instead of returning it, which is useful for deriving values asynchronously. When I come to that problem, I'll probably need to get back here. Alright. As long as an object correctly implements the subscribe method, it's a store. Beyond that, anything goes. It's very easy, therefore, to create custom stores with domain-specific logic. For example, the count store. Oh, okay, so you can put everything inside one. Okay, so you have create count. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is nice, I think. Wow, okay, this is something interesting. Subscribe, set, and update. Subscribe, set, and update. So writables. Writable. What do you do with writable? You export a writable. I guess it's another way for you to use variables. We will not stop my things. My head. Shit, my head hurts. So you subscribe, set, and update. So you take these elements, functions. They return a subscribe. I think the blue though. I want the blue. Increment. And then you update. Okay. Can delete store, right? Yeah, you can't. Why can't you delete a store? Why would you ever delete a store? Damn, I'm sleepy. What the fuck? Subscribe is reset is set. Create lah. Update is update. What's your delete? There's no delete, cause set 0 is like delete. And then you create count, okay? Then count dot increment. So the $sign count Where is it? $ count is 0 because it's a writable 0, so you start at 0. Okay, then the other functions that it returns, I assume this is functions, is here. So you plus, minus, reset, plus. That's great. Count. This is quite confusing for me because it'd be easier if I have like a let, let count, this goes 0. But instead, this is how you do it. So writable 0. Okay, I need to cross-reference back to writable stores. Sorry, I'm fucking dumb. So you start with 0, right? Count.subscribe value. So count value is equal to 0. Wait, where is this? Is it auto subscription? Value, then you can have this, right? Because of this, you can get from this. So 0. Right, I think that's about me. I'm very sleepy. I'm just gonna sleep for a while. Bye bye. And